Today, we're sharing practical tips to conserve water both indoors and outdoors, ensuring a sustainable future. Start conserving water indoors by tackling leaks. A single drip per second can waste over 3,000 gallons a year. Regularly check your faucets and toilets and fix leaks immediately. Upgrading to water-efficient fixtures can reduce your water usage by 20% or more. It's an investment that pays off. Switching to low-flow shower heads and faucet aerators are simple changes that can save thousands of gallons of water annually. Opt for water-saving appliances. They use less water and energy, saving you money that can add up to significant water savings. Run your dishwasher and washing machine only when they're full. It maximizes efficiency and reduces water waste. Be mindful of your water use. Simple actions like turning off the tap while brushing your teeth or using a bowl to wash fruits and vegetables can make a big difference. Perform simple water audits to identify wastage areas and take corrective actions. When it comes to conserving water outdoors, consider Xeriscaping. This landscaping method uses drought-resistant plants and reduces the need for irrigation, saving on water and maintenance. Water your garden during the cooler parts of the day to minimize evaporation. Use efficient irrigation systems like WaterSense-certified weather-based irrigation controllers and soil moisture-based irrigation controllers that dispense water only as needed to avoid overwatering the soil. Harvest rainwater. Install rain barrels to collect water from your roof. Use this water for gardening or cleaning outdoor areas. It's a sustainable way to make use of natural resources and reduce dependency on tap water. Ensure your spigots are secure to prevent water theft and unnecessary water usage. Use an outdoor faucet lock to safeguard and control unauthorized use of outdoor faucets to prevent wastage. Finally, regular maintenance of your outdoor water systems is crucial. Keeping systems in good condition prevents waste and saves water. By adopting these indoor and outdoor water conservation practices, we can all contribute to securing water for our future while enjoying lower water bills. Every drop counts, and together, we can make a difference for our planet. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos.